Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gaming PC cases available on the market right now. I've put together this list based on hours of research, personal experience, and user feedback, ranking them by features, build quality, cooling capability, design, and of course, value for money. If you're looking for a PC case that meets your gaming needs, whether it's for airflow, aesthetics, or versatility, stick around because we're covering a range of options, from budget-friendly to premium. Don't forget to check the description below for updated prices and additional details. And if you love tech reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Mustex K2 PC case. This budget-friendly option is perfect for gamers who want a sleek and functional case without breaking the bank. Priced at just $69.99, the K2 features dual 270-degree tempered glass panels that provide a panoramic view of your high-end hardware. It's designed with a spacious layout, supporting GPUs up to 420 millimeters and liquid cooling radiators up to 360 millimeters, making it compatible with even the most demanding components. The design is all about practicality and elegance. It includes 3 pre-installed non-LED fans to get you started, while the top magnetic dust filter and bottom PSU ventilation help maintain optimal airflow and cleanliness. However, the lack of RGB fans at this price point might be a downside for those who want lighting customization. Overall, the Mustex K2 is a solid choice for budget-conscious builders who prioritize build space and practicality over flashy extras. It's ideal for gamers who want the clean and professional look without spending too much. At number 4 is the FOIFKIN F1 PC case, a mid-tower option that strikes a great balance between aesthetics and performance. Selling for $74.99, this case is equipped with 6 pre-installed ARGB fans for vibrant lighting and improved airflow. The 270 degrees tempered glass side panels offer a clear view of your build while providing good sound insulation, making it suitable for both gaming and office environments. What sets the FOIFKIN F1 apart is its versatile design. It supports up to 9 120mm fans and a 360mm liquid cooler, ensuring excellent thermal performance for high-end systems. The I/O ports include 1 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, and a Type-C port, providing modern connectivity options. However, while the F1 offers great cooling and expandability, its slightly smaller interior might not be ideal for users with oversized GPUs. If you're looking for a mid-tier case with vibrant lighting and solid thermal management, the FOIFKIN F1 is a fantastic choice for the price. Taking the third spot is the Musetex Y6 PC case. This case is all about combining functionality and aesthetics, offering a black matte finish with 270 degrees dual tempered glass panels that provide a stunning view of your components. At $79.99, it's a step up in price but offers excellent value with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans and support for top-mounted 360mm liquid cooling radiators. One standout feature is its dual-chamber design, which improves thermal performance by isolating the power supply from the main components. It also comes with a high-speed USB 3.2 Type-C port for modern connectivity. The tool-free design makes installation quick and easy, although some users might find the fan configuration less customizable compared to other options. If you're a gamer who appreciates a premium look and efficient cooling on a budget, the Mustex Y6 delivers exceptional value and a great user experience. Our runner-up is the FOIFKIN F600 PC case, a premium mid-tower option priced at $89.99. This case is a showstopper, with 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass panels and 7 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans that deliver both stunning visuals and excellent airflow. It supports up to 10 120mm fans, making it one of the most cooling-capable options in this list. The spacious interior accommodates GPUs up to 400mm long and 360mm liquid cooling radiators, making it ideal for high-end builds. The hinged glass panel design allows for easy access, and the inclusion of a Type-C port alongside other modern I/O options makes it future-proof. While the F600 is an excellent choice for gamers focused on cooling and aesthetics, it's slightly heavier than other cases, which might make it less portable. Nonetheless, it's perfect for gamers and enthusiasts looking for a high-performance case with vibrant lighting. And finally, the #1 spot goes to the Corsair 3500X ARGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case. At $119.99, this premium option delivers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation. The standout feature is its compatibility with reverse connection motherboards, allowing for a clean, cable-free look. It also comes with 3 pre-installed Corsair RS120 ARGB fans, offering stunning lighting and excellent cooling right out of the box. The 3500X supports up to 10 fans and motherboards from Mini ITX to eATX, making it incredibly versatile. The wraparound panoramic tempered glass panels not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also provide easy access through removable designs. The cooling capabilities are top-notch, with support for liquid cooling systems and multiple fan mounting options. If you're looking for a premium case that offers cutting-edge features and a sleek design, the Corsair 3500X is worth every penny. It's ideal for gamers and content creators who prioritize aesthetics, cable management, and top-tier performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you're still undecided, check out the links in the description for more details on each case. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments which case you're going with, or ask any questions you have. I'll catch you in the next one.